Now let's see the complete code. We have an initialized array with 6 values. In n, we have found the length of the array. Selection sort is a function in which we are passing array and the length of array. And at the end, we are displaying the array. Let's see the function of selection sort. As we have seen previously, the outer loop will run from I index till n minus 1, and we will set the minimum index I, and the inner loop will start from the next index till the last index, because we have to iterate the whole array. And if the current item is less than the current minimum, then it will update himself. And after finding the minimum value, it will swap with the ith index. Whether it will find the minimum index or not, it must have to iterate all the values because he has to check that all conditions. This is the simple swap functions that is being used to swap the values, and the print function which will display the array at the end. Now let's calculate the time complexity of selection sort. As we can see, the outer loop is running from I equal to 0 to I less than n minus 1. This means that this loop is running from 0 to n minus 1, which is equal to n iterations. After that, the inner loop is running from I plus 1 to the last index, which means that it is also running n iterations. As we have discussed previously, that whether he found the minimum element or not, algorithm will always run through the complete array. That's why both the loops will run from 0 to n. And by combining both the loops, we can conclude that the time complexity of selection sort is big O n square. As he have to iterate all the values, whether he finds the minimum or not, the best or and worst case of selection sort will also be big O n square, as he has to iterate all the values.